All right, besties, let's do this for like the fourth time. Y'all really can't say I'm not giving this brand every potential opportunity. Here is the box, still completely wrong. I did get to thinking though, because these are identical in the bottle to the new JR ones. I don't know if y'all have heard of that brand JR, but the bottles are literally identical. So I got to thinking, what if this is the right formula? Because I think in the JR, they said that they didn't have HEMA or HPMA. So what if this is the right formula? Either way, still super sketch. Still don't recommend, but we're going to give this another chance. And hopefully it is the right formula. But why are they using an old SDS that does not match at all? Like, it would obviously be in their best interest to update their SDS, because if this formula is pretty good, if it's the real one. All right, so I got a sheer color, sheer-ish. This is like a bunny, funny bunny type. Yeah, pretty sheer white. And I got another dark color because I'm curious to see if the issue is just with that red, or is it all dark colors? And you know what? Let me put some gloves on. Okay, got some gloves, and let's get our lamp here. I will make sure that you can see everything. Now, I'm probably going to have to cut this down for the short form, but if you don't trust me, just watch the YouTube video where you'll be able to see everything. All right, let's get to it. I'm going to start with this blue here. And again, I will do no cuts on this video. So just 2x it, you know, whatever you need to do. It's going to be long. Okay, very, very thin layer there. Going into the lamp. And now the milky white. God, my hands are really shaky today. Okay, that's terrible application, but you get it. Ooh, what is wrong with my hands, y'all? You seen this? Okay. I haven't had breakfast, so that might be it. All right, 90 seconds. Okay. Take our blade here. Coming right off. Not a great sign. You can also just feel it. Like, I don't know how to describe it, but it's like mushy. I don't know. But anyway, not looking good. Like, it literally just comes right off. You know what? I'm gonna buff it. I'm gonna buff the swatch stick. Although I don't have this issue, as y'all have seen with other brands, but I'm gonna buff it to give it some adhesion. All right, try this again. And while that cures, let's do the white. Okay, so the white is doing better. Much better. Yeah, this is doing way better. I honestly don't know if this is a good thing or a bad thing because yes, the sheer colors seem to be doing okay, but that really does mean there is an issue with all the darker colors. Yikes. All right, we're gonna do the second coat of the white. And we're gonna do it a little bit thicker. All right, how much time does that lamp have left? 20 seconds. So I'll just wait for another cycle. Okay, this one's going in for another 90. Let's try this again. Oh, come on. Yeah. No, this is not good. This is not good at all. Okay. Well, just for funsies, we're gonna do another coat. And as you can see, the white was totally fine. Okay, still sheer. And we're gonna start the clock again. But yeah, honestly, the only way to really know which formula is the right one, if it's the SDS or the back of the box, is to test it on my own fingers. I haven't had a reaction in 6 months, and I'd like to keep it that way. So I don't know that I want to do that, especially because the company ghosted me when I asked why there was a discrepancy with the SDS on the back of the bottle. So, seeing as I don't have an answer as to which one might even be the right one, I don't know that I want to put this on my finger. Um, if I did, I would just do this milky white because that seems to be the least problematic one, but I'm scared. So I don't think I'm going to do that. We'll see. I also wanted to see if this was an issue exclusive to me or I was doing something wrong, but I went to the Amazon reviews and a lot of them are saying the exact same thing, having the same issues that I was. And so I'm still very, very hesitant about this because even if it looks cured or acts cured, we know that that means nothing and it's only 40% cured. And if the product is peeling up so easily, not just from the swatch stick, but according to the reviews from people's nails, it's not cured. But anyway, let's just go ahead and get it over with. Okay, so this second layer actually seems to be doing much better. Okay, that's not terrible. See? S- Okay, that's interesting. Cool. Let's see the white. This one seems okay as well. Think we've got, let me see, do we have a little bubbling here? Nope, that's good. Okay, so this one seems good too. Okay, so I don't know what to think of this. I still wouldn't trust the dark colors, but maybe it is just that red issue. Again, still do not recommend, especially because like what the heck is going on with their SDS and the back of the box. If they clear that up, I guess this wouldn't be terrible, especially if the formula in the back of the box is the correct one. In that case, this is not bad. And I hope so because I think the JR one is this formula as well with the same exact bottle. So I guess technically jury's still out on this, but with this many discrepancies, consistency issues, and also a lack of accurate SDS, I still cannot recommend this, but we'll keep y'all updated.